What's up, fellows? This is Anmol here, and I'm back with another awesome episode of Business News You Can Misuse. Before we get started, do subscribe to this channel to stay updated with business news in a fun way. Okay, let's see what we've got for you today. Uber fires over 3,500 employees over a 3-minute Zoom call. The call was about telling employees that Uber's rides business has reduced by 50% and that today will be your last working day with Uber. It's sad, that Uber is dumping employees over a call. I mean, why is Uber behaving like your ex-girlfriend? At least she had empathy. Actually, she didn't. Okay, let's change the topic. If you can do firing over Zoom, why can't you do hiring over Zoom? Why do we have to wait for 45 minutes for the interviewer at the office? And after 6 rounds, you go to the HR round and the HR is like, can you make Rangoli? First fire her. Asian Paints has increased salaries to boost employee morale during the lockdown. MD and CEO Amit Singhal said that we are not in the hire and fire business. We are a matured brand that wants to reassure its employees that we are in it together. I think IT companies need to learn from Asian Paints. It's kind of funny that Asian Paints is into paints, but IT companies चूना लगा रही है. #irony. Make My Trip has partnered with premium hotel chains and independent properties across select cities in India to roll out online gourmet delivery service. Basically food delivery only, but these articles in media will be like online gourmet delivery service using logistical capability maturity model. Just cut the crap, man. It's food delivery. And every company is now getting into food delivery, groceries. Next time when the investor asks you what is your exit strategy, say grocery. You will get funded. And again, it's very funny, imagine you study and you get into IITs. 4 years you study Fourier transforms, organic chemistry. After graduating, you're like, भाई कैसे deliver करे आलू टमाटर? Our education system needs a revamp. We need one full semester on grocery delivery. Baba Ramdev has launched Swadeshi only e-commerce platform called OrderMe with free home delivery of products. I had predicted this long back. Watch my earlier videos. Baba never disappoints. He doesn't. I love him. I love that man. Because he's proved to the world that you don't need a hot Brazilian model to sell. Even a man with an overgrown beard and orange clothes can sell. In fact, Baba Ramdev should be made the chairman of all the IIMs because their students are still getting confused between branding and marketing. If you know the answer, put it in the comments below. You'll get a job at Patanjali. Scott McNealy, who co-founded Sun Microsystems and later sold it to Oracle for $7.4 billion, has said that the current lockdown is the best time to start up. I agree. But see, the problem is whenever you ask this question to someone, when is the best time to start up? They say now. Before Corona, they were like, yeah, this is the best time to start up. During Corona, it's the best time. After Corona, it's the best time. Now you decide. See, a more important question is when to shut down a startup. Most entrepreneurs are like, karu ki na karu? Alright, my lovely folks, before I leave, this is my last warning to all entrepreneurs, business owners. If you reduce the salaries of your employees, this is what's going to happen.
रंगीला तारा रंग वेल जुए तारी वाह